In a previous video, I showed you how to create a custom fixed loss budget or limit inside the CertiFiber Pro here. You may also be asked to modify the existing standards. For instance, if we look at the TIA standard today, it specifies 0.75 dB per mated connection. I've got some examples here where the consultant has told me it's actually going to be 0.50 dB per connection, 0.1 per splice, 3 dB per kilometer at 850 nanometers, and 1 dB per kilometer for the fiber at 1300 nanometers. So all of these are a little bit tighter than the current standards. So to create a custom test limit, we'll tap where the test limit is, New Test, and Test Limit, since that's what we want to change, More, and Custom. And we have one in here from a previous video, which is our fixed loss, but we're going to create a new one where it's actually on the connections that have changed. So we'll tap Manage, Create, and we'll give it a name. And we're not going to go to fixed this time, because if we went to fixed, we wouldn't be able to enter the individual performance of the parameters here. So we're going to go to length based. And our first option to change is the connection loss. So we're going to change that to 0.5. And our splice loss is going to be 0.10. And my fiber loss at 850 is going to be 3. And my fiber loss at 1300 is going to be 1. Done. I'll save it. There it is, trunk 02. Tap it to select it. This is a multi-mode test, so I'm going to leave it at multi-mode. And this is a smart remote test. If it was a fire-in source test, bearing in mind the fire-in source doesn't measure length, so it wouldn't actually calculate your loss budget here for you. If you are going to do fire-in source mode, which is a single fiber, you need to look at the video on how to create a custom fixed loss budget. So with that said, here's our number of connections down here, our connector type, and of course we're doing a one jumper reference. So save. At the top here is my newly created limit. Select that one, use selected, and I'm ready to go. And I can create 20 of these for the CertiFiber Pro.